Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this one, I'm going to show you how to fix an opening balance issue in your QuickBooks Online account. Now, this happens when you are trying to reconcile a new account and sometimes that opening balance is off. I'll walk you through it quickly, so let's get started. Now, let me give you a brief idea about opening balance. When you are setting up a new bank account in QuickBooks or reconciling for the first time, QuickBooks will try to create an opening balance for you. Sometimes, though, that balance is incorrect. Now, we'll need to fix it, right? So, here's how to fix it. You'll see a clear account, or this video, I'll paste this link below in the description. Now, how do you edit the opening balance? First, go to the gear icon in the top right corner. It will look something like this of your QuickBooks Online account and click on it. Then select Reconcile. After that, let's say I'm reconciling a savings account for the first time and I notice the balance is off. So this happens when QuickBooks creates an automatic opening balance, but it's not always right. To fix that, I'm going to head over to the bank register. To head over to there, make sure you follow the steps outlined here. I'm just saying so that you can understand it easier. Then you'll see the opening balance entry. QuickBooks automatically created it and it's already reconciled. But let's say the balance is wrong. You can either click on the entry and hit edit to change it, or if you want, you can delete it entirely. If you want to update it, let's say the opening balance should be 750 or something, you'll need to just change the amount and hit save. QuickBooks will ask if you are sure since it's already been reconciled, so go ahead and click yes. Once you save it, you can go back to the reconcile page and see the updated beginning balance. If you wanted to completely delete the opening balance, you could just click on the entry and hit delete. And that's it. Now you have fixed your opening balance in QuickBooks Online. Make sure to hit that subscribe button for more helpful quick tips and tricks. See you next time.